Hi, today I'd like to show you a use case for how you can create an outbound call from a webhook from a Google form submission. Now the example use case we have today is for a company called Harper Associates. They use Google Forms to get applications for the recruitment process. What we would like to do today is we would like, after the applicant has filled in the form, we would like then to create an outbound session where Grace calls them up and then does a pre-interview, asking them some questions. I'll just jump straight into the case. So here we have an application for Harper Associates for a sales lead position. And I've filled in information for email, my name, my phone number, upload my CV, and also the application text that I'm your best choice. So let's see how that goes. So I'm going to send this application now. I'll send it now. Any minute now after that has been submitted, send the webhook to Gridspace, and then any minute now I should receive a call from Gridspace. Yep. Receiving a call right now.
Hi there, I'm Grace, a virtual agent calling from Harper Associates. Am I speaking with Sebastian Schergel?
Yes, you are.
Thank you for taking the time to complete the application form for the sales lead position. I'd like to ask you a couple of quick follow-up questions to ensure we have all the information we need. Would you have a couple of minutes now for some quick questions?
Yes, I do.
First, could you briefly share what motivated you to apply for the sales-led position at Harper Associates?
Yes, my motivation was a good salary.
Thank you. Next, can you tell us about one sales achievement you're most proud of and how it aligns with the responsibilities of this role?
Last year, I closed a deal worth $1 million.
Finally, do you have any immediate questions or additional details you'd like to share with us about your application or experience?
No.
Great. I appreciate you sharing that with me. The hiring team will review your responses along with your application, and we'll be in touch soon to let you know about the next steps in the process. Thank you again for your interest in joining Harper Associates. Have a wonderful day.
Now, as you see here, while that might not be the best interview I've done, you can see the point that Grace was able to pick up what information, my name, and call me up and then answer me some questions for my motivations, some more details, and then do the pre-interview with the applicant based on the Google form that was submitted. Now, just to quickly show you the setup in the playbooks. So this is the playbook we have done, which is quite simple setup for recruitment outbound bot. And it's basically just like an identity check. We first check the identity of the caller. Is this calling the correct, did they give us correct number? And then if yes, we then go into the whole questionnaire. We have questions where we save the responses in tags. And then we leave them out. And of course, if they is not the identity, we ask them, are you available or are they available? If not, then we call you back, and same here. If they don't have time, we'll call you back at a later time. So quite a simple setup, but also it's the same with the call flow. With the call flow, we have an inlet node with a number, which is basically the number it's going to call out from. And then the bot, and then hangs up once the whole flow is finished. Now, very quickly, how we are doing this, we're using something called app scripts in Google. So in Google Forms, Sheets, Docs, you can create add-ons or web apps, which you can use as additional functionality to your forms. And basically, the script is ready and done for you. So you basically just copy and paste in your own details, and then it's ready to go. Now, if you would like to know how you can set this up for yourself, we will link an article in the description down below in the Gridspace docs, where we go over the script and how you can do this in your own Google form. Now, of course, if you have any questions about this flow, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll answer any questions you have there. If you'd like to check out more demos like this, you can go to gridspace.com, our website, and check it out and play around with Grace yourself. All right. Thank you for watching.